Hey guys! In today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix a Snapchat device ban. The method involves using a modified version of Snapchat that lets you instantly log into any account. It also includes a range of awesome modded features. This app works by instantly lifting the ban on your account, even if it's been permanently blocked, so you can log in without any issues. I'll guide you step by step on how to download and install this app, as it's not something you'll find on the App Store or Google Play Store. So to get this app, what we have to do is open your phone browser and go to this site called youlovepn.com. Basically, this app can only be gotten once you activate the Yulu VPN, as it is the same developer. So what we have to do is click the button that says Pricing, and then click Get VPN. Yes, it says $3.99, but I'll show you guys how to get it for free after. And also, you will be able to get $1,000 for free into your Cash App or PayPal with this VPN as well, which I will show you proof of. But anyways, click Add to Cart, and then click the View Cart option, and then click Proceed to Checkout. You're going to want to fill out all the details it asks for in checkout. Once you check out, it will now show a success pop-up notification saying you have successfully purchased the VPN. And then it will now say, the Yulu VPN official app will now install to your home screen. So now we just wait for it to finish installing, and it should be quick because it's not a huge app. All right, great news. Looks like it installed. And now, if we go to our home screen, we will now see the Yulu VPN app is installed. Now if we open it, we are now in the app. It looks like a completely normal VPN app, but here we will get the bonus app and also free $1,000 into our Cash App, PayPal, or other options that they have. So if we click the menu in the top left, you will see a button that says Install Bonus App. If we click this will install the app that I showed you guys in the intro of this video, and that's pretty much how you get the app on your iOS or Android device. But also guys, do not forget if we also click the Money Claim button. It will now allow us to enter in our Cash App tag, PayPal email, or it even allows us to choose an Amazon gift card as well. And if we enter it in, it will send us $1,000. So let me try it out right now. I will enter in my Cash App tag and let's see if they will actually send me the money. So as you can see, I have typed it in and it sends it, sending it. So let's now open Cash App and let's check if we receive the money. Okay, I'm opening Cash App and boom, check that out guys. We just received $1,000. That's so insane. As you can see, it actually works and Yulu VPN is legit. Also guys, if you want to get a refund on the VPN as well, just go back to youluvpn.com and tap on the Get Refund button and type in the email you used to make the purchase, and they will refund. Make sure you type your email correctly. But anyways guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed and see you all later.